Hey guys, AmandaSushma here and welcome to my channel. Happy fall, it's November everyone. Alas, it was not November, but just let me do my thing. I'll work on my procrastination in 2022. Thank you, appreciate it, subscribe. I just had a really fun Halloween party. This was my first party I ever threw. My decor was on point, if I do say so myself. I'll put some pictures here. I was a murderous Dora, and I was basically just killing all my friends. It was super fun. We had this cake. I stuck a fake knife in it. It was a whole vibe, but unfortunately Halloween is now over, and it's tis the season time, and I've been craving some cinnamon apple cake, and I found a recipe, so I wanted to bake it with you guys. And yeah, I'll put the link below if you like it. So these are all of the ingredients you will need. Again, I'll link the recipe down below if you do want to try it and see all the measurements and stuff. This is vanilla extract and this is oat milk. I'm substituting, they did use regular milk in the recipe, but I've used oat milk in baking before and it didn't really seem to have a bad effect, so I'm just gonna do that. We have our assistant here trying to get water. You know, we don't let them take breaks to drink anything. You're on the clock, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Please stop watching water drip from that. You are on the clock. Report to duty, ma'am. Oh. Anyway, so you're supposed to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, which is done. And then it says you need an 8-inch round cake pan with baking or parchment paper. I don't have the paper, but I have the pan, so I'll just use the pan and put some like cooking spray or something. So this is my baking pan. I don't think this is an 8-inch one, but it's the smallest one I have. I actually got 3 of these for like $10 from Big Lots last year because I thought I was gonna make a 3-tiered cake. That never happened. I guess this thing just, what does it do? It has like a clicky thing, which I thought would like unravel the cake. Well, you know what I mean? Like I was thinking of it as like, oh, the bottom comes out! I watched Great British Baking Show and I obviously didn't learn anything. But yeah, the bottom comes out when you do that. Now, I guess I like lock it back in. Okay, it's locked down and, well, the bottom's not staying in. Hold on. I screwed up. What? How does this go back in? Oh, okay. Don't mind me. So I got this back in. Great, I learned how to use that. And then I forgot to put this with the rest of the ingredients. I got powdered sugar and it said this could help me make the glaze. So powdered sugar, you need that as well. And now we have to peel and roughly chop this apple. That's what it says, roughly chop. I don't know what that means. I'm a nice person. So I don't know, I'm gonna gently chop. Anyway. I will spare you the horror of watching me peel an apple. Let's just fast forward to where it's already done. And look at that magic. Time to dump in our flour. This was me double checking the baking powder and baking soda ingredients because this required both of them and I wanted to make sure I didn't mess them up, so I had to check it like 4 times. And now we're adding the baking soda. So the first one was the baking powder, now I'm adding the baking soda. They're confusing, I don't really know what each of them does, I just know you're not supposed to mix them up, but whatever. And now I'm dumping in some sugar. I've baked a few things and they require so much sugar, it's ridiculous, but you know, just following the recipe, adding in the apples now to the mixture, and now I'm mixing it all up. And now I'm adding in some Greek yogurt. One thing I hate about cooking and baking is that some ingredients, like I just don't use them other than what I'm making at that moment. Like, so they just spoil in the fridge. So like when I try and make something cool or like, you know, something extravagant where you need a lot of ingredients such as this, the Greek yogurt spoiled, you know, after this, and then like anything with greens, it spoils. So I try to just keep my cooking and baking to like simple ingredients. So luckily the Greek yogurt I think was probably the only thing I had to buy for this, so it wasn't too bad. But it did spoil seeing as I did this, I'm editing this a month later. So yeah, I got everything mixed in. I'm putting it into the baking pan now. So now I'm making the topping. I thought it came out too watery, Like, I thought it came out a lot more watery than it was supposed to be, but I'm not sure. You guys let me know. I thought it was supposed to be more dry. Like, I've done a cinnamon sugar topping for the coffee cake I've made before, and it was dry. I didn't have to put like any liquids in it, but this one I did have to put a liquid. And now we're putting it into bake, and I am risking salmonella to taste the batter, and it tasted really freaking good. So I have to sift the sugar for like the glaze, and I've never sifted anything before, so I felt really professional sifting it. And now look how beautiful it looks. I thought the topping was a little weird looking, but it came out really nice. So we're adding some milk to the glaze. And so we're gonna go ahead and put it on the top. Oh look, wait, I felt really cool when like I did this. Let's just watch. Like, look how perfect those edges are. I felt like I was on the Great British Baking Show. This is me putting on the glaze. I don't really think I did the glaze right. I think I'd rather have just like, you know, put the powdered sugar on top of it like normal. But this is okay too. It just made it kind of shiny, but not like, it didn't last like a mirror glaze or anything. It's still, like if you look in this, it kind of faded away, but it looks really, really nice. Okay guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting. It's evening time now. I don't have any other lights. This is the best I can do, but I cut myself a slice so we can do a taste test. But looks wise, this is probably the best thing I've ever made like in my entire life. So let's do a taste test. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, so final thoughts. It tasted really good. I would give it a 9 out of 10. I think to make it a 10, next time the apples, when I cut them up, I think I would like sprinkle cinnamon on top and I think caramelize them. I saw somebody, I don't know if this is caramelizing or what, but like she put it in like a hot pan and just like got cinnamon on there and kind of like let it melt a little bit, the apples. I'll do that next time and then put it in the bake. I think the apples, like I was eating a bit of the apples and it tasted good, but it just needed like some more cinnamon, I think, because the cinnamon only went on top of the cake as like the drizzle, so it didn't go inside. So I think that's what I would do next time. But this was really, really good. Definitely subscribe to see more videos from me. I usually do makeup videos, but I'm really getting into more cooking and baking, so I want to just, you know, add that on my channel. So yeah, so definitely subscribe to see more videos from me. If you like this, let me know, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or you have any suggestions to make it better, definitely leave them down below. And thanks you guys so much for watching. Bye!